Hey guys, this is Eve and welcome back to my channel with another unboxing here. This time we have something from Kikki-K. Let's hope that you and I are going to enjoy this because this was my most recent impulse purchase and I promised to myself that I'll stop making such, but it is quite a hard thing to do. So I've already removed some notes with my address and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it through. I'm gonna be careful. I hope I don't get inside of it, and I hope it's not gonna be way too hard to get in there. Actually, it's quite easy. My pink knife always there to help. Seems to be well packaged. Anytime I see one of those bubbly packages, I'm quite happy because that tells me that everything inside is really well packaged and I have nothing to worry about. Even this box is quite big for the thing that I am expecting. So let's see. From the looks of it, it seems like I'm receiving air. But let's hope I'm not. I really like this. Oh my, okay. There it is. And you can already see one of the things in there. Sorry about the flare. We'll leave it here. There's a card. Hey. Swedish for hello. Thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy your delicious purchases. Love, Kikki-K. Wow, the packaging is quite sweet. I've never received anything from them. There's just some paper. Never received anything from them until now, and it has always been really a thought of mine that whenever I do get something, it's definitely going to be a planner. But in this case, it's not a planner. And I do like the color blue, but again, this was such an impulse purchase that it kind of makes me think, why did I get that? Well, I know why. It was very discounted. So basically, the flare is not helping, so I'm gonna open this, but this is a keychain slash back charm, and it's in the shape of a heart. There it is. Let's see how we can get it out of there. Yes, it's coming out. Yay! Cute packaging, I would say. So, it is leather. It is blue leather, very light blue. I hope you're able to see because I am using an artificial light right now. I'm just gonna snap it out of the packaging so you can see better. It can either be a keychain or a back charm, but I believe they're mostly for back charms. It has the metal K on all of them. I also got to monogram this. I've always wanted to monogram something. So it has my initials and then the dash and A with my new married name because I had it hyphenated. So this is what it looks like. It can go on any bag really. Well, it just occurred to me, well, like a few days before I received it, that it is blue and I have no idea which bag is gonna go with it. But it is a very cute piece, it dangles, so I'm happy with this one. Now let's move on to the other one. I guess it kind of looks packaged like a planner, but it is not. Ooh, I really like that. Oh, it even says, okay, it says what it is. Leather clutch, and that's exactly what it is. So I'm gonna take this out. And maybe if I just push it, it's gonna come out. Yes! Oh, so nicely packaged. There it is. I think I'm gonna like this. Because I was already thinking, before I even received it, should I keep it? I mean, it's... there it is. It's a clutch. It's a clutch. Yeah, again, light blue and the same color as the back charm. Let's see what it's inside. Oh, it feels very well made. That's inside. It has textile base with squares. One of these water absorbent packages. Well, I like the snap closure. It snaps really nicely into place. It has the golden hardware button with the letter K for Kikki-K. And let's see if I can remove this. Or the strap. Whoa! Wow! My phone did not manage to fall down. That is impressive. Okay, I got it out. This is it. This is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty, very shiny, well made. I'm not sure what the leather is, but it does look textured, and it's always a good thing. It is very light though, so we'll see if color transfer could be an issue, as it is with some lighter bags, although this is, after all, just a clutch. And I would think this is how you would wear the charm on it. So if it doesn't move too much, let's just try it on. Maybe something like that. I like that it looks like an envelope. I already actually have another one that's in white. It's not from Kikki-K, but it also looks like an envelope. And I have worn it to a few like weddings and events, and it's extremely easy to just have this little wristlet right here. So I'm still not sure whether I'm keeping this. Actually, I waited for the shipping and, you know, custom taxes and delivery a bit, and while this was happening, I really was unsure of whether I want to keep this. I mean, the charm I'm keeping, it's monogrammed, obviously. I just can't decide if I really will have anything to wear it with. It really was like a after Christmas discounted impulse purchase. So I don't know, let me know what you think about it. Is it something you would wear? Shall I keep it? Do you have a similar one? Are you happy with it? I like that it is leather. I think it's gonna be very, very fresh from spring and summer, and I might give it a chance. I mean, I just got it and it is very pretty. So yeah, that was that. I think I'm just gonna quit it here, just with the unboxing. I'll think about perhaps doing a review, although I don't think there's much to this. But I might go ahead and try what fits in here, because it is quite slim. But it is a clutch after all, so I feel like I'll be able to fit quite a lot of stuff in here and still have this baby look nice. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to check out the rest of the videos on my channel and consider subscribing if you're into the videos that I do make. Have an awesome day. Bye!